beautiful tousled ombre bob for the first transformation. Now this is like the perfect length and the color looks unreal. Absolutely stunning makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations for this fall and winter season. So here we have someone else getting a bob hairstyle. She does have a little streak of platinum going there. Nice way to play up the pop of color trend. And the stylist does another shoulder length bob haircut. Look at that, so breathtaking, and I really love that pop of color. Just adds a bit of interest overall to the style and makes it a unique look overall. Very pretty. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas featured in today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another color makeover with this red and pink bob style. Great way to play up the color there. Followed by another color transformation. Beautiful brunette hue with the face framing curtain bangs. Very nice. Looks like she also got some tinsel mixed in. If you guys do want to check out more of that tinsel hair trend, I do have a couple of videos just kind of showcasing what it is. And then we have someone getting their hair shaven on the sides, doing more of like a shaven hairstyle look. Oh, and she takes things even further, going shorter. Into a buzz cut. Wow. She looks absolutely beautiful. And this, of course, is a huge trend that we are seeing. A lot of women are doing the buzz cut this year. Next up, looks like we have another bob style. Mixing in some bangs to frame out the bob. Wow, another beautiful volumized shoulder length bob style. This is absolutely stunning. I love the full bangs going in the front. And this is a great length if you want to go short but still keep a lot of your hair. You still have so many options when it comes to styling. Next up, we have someone with a pixie. Like she decided to go shorter with more of a buzz cut as well. Super short buzz cut faded pixie style with the beige blonde color. So here is her full makeover for that particular hairstyle. So the barber, of course, does like a low cut, faded buzz cut here. But she does have a little bit of hair to play around with. This is a very cute, low maintenance hair option. And I love that beige blonde color, so pretty. So here we have someone getting a bit of a cut refresh. Some shorter bangs to frame out the pixie. So far it looks like she might be getting a pixie bob haircut. Ooh, a very trendy mini bob or pixie bob style. This is so chic and the perfect look for the fall and winter season. Very nice. Now this is a great length, once again, if you do want to go short, but you do want to keep some length that you can play around with. Very cute. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.